the future of automotive fuel might not be as electric as we think. In a bold move towards sustainability, prominent automaker Porsche has started the industrial production of synthetic e-fuels, a type of carbon-neutral fuel made from water and carbon dioxide. This initiative aims to provide a practical alternative for operating internal combustion engine vehicles in a nearly CO2-neutral manner. The e-fuel production takes place at a newly activated plant in Punta Arenas, Chile. This location was strategically chosen due to its abundant supply of renewable energy sources, primarily wind energy. In fact, the wind blows for approximately 270 days a year in this part of Chile, enabling the wind turbines at the plant to operate at full capacity. The plant's energy-efficient operations and its proximity to the Strait of Magellan make it ideal for the production and worldwide shipment of synthetic e-fuel. Creating e-fuel is a complex, multi-step process that involves combining hydrogen derived from water with carbon extracted from the atmosphere. This combination produces methane, which is then transformed into a synthetic liquid fuel that functions similarly to gasoline. The process begins with the electrolysis of water to separate it into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is then combined with carbon dioxide, which has been captured from the atmosphere, to create methane. This methane is converted into synthetic fuel through a process called power-to-liquid, PTL. Porsche's venture into e-fuel production has been supported by collaborations with several partners. These include Siemens Energy and global e-fuels company Highly Innovative Fuels, HIF. These partnerships have been critical in developing and implementing the innovative technology required for e-fuel production. With over 1.3 billion combustion engine vehicles on roads worldwide, the potential for e-fuels is enormous. E-fuels provide a nearly carbon-neutral alternative for existing cars, allowing them to operate in an environmentally friendly manner without requiring any modifications. That's because the e-fuel produced by Porsche is compatible with existing infrastructure, meaning it can be used in any vehicle that currently runs on gasoline. Porsche has been testing e-fuel in several of its vehicles, including the 911 GT3 and the Panamera. In these tests, the synthetic fuel has demonstrated impressive performance, with acceleration and top speed comparable to that of gasoline. One of the key benefits of Porsche's e-fuel is its low carbon emissions. The fuel is produced using renewable electricity, which means that it does not generate any carbon emissions during the production process. When it is burned in an engine, it releases only the carbon dioxide that was used to make it, which means that it has a significantly lower carbon footprint than gasoline. Porsche's e-fuel production is currently in its pilot phase, with an initial output of around 130,000 litres per year. However, the automaker plans to significantly scale up its production capacity by the middle of the decade, reaching up to 550 million litres per year. While the production cost of e-fuel is currently high, it is projected to decrease significantly over time. As of now, it costs about $45 per gallon to make e-fuel. However, by 2026, it is expected to cost less than $8 per gallon, making it a viable alternative to traditional fossil fuels. While e-fuel provides a promising alternative to traditional fossil fuels, it does not mean Porsche is abandoning its efforts towards electric vehicles. On the contrary, the automaker sees e-fuels as a complementary technology to e-mobility, forming what it calls a double E-path. In an effort to further its e-fuel development, Porsche has invested over $100 million, including $75 million in HIF. This investment represents Porsche's commitment to developing sustainable fuel options and reducing CO2 emissions across its entire value chain by 2030. Porsche's venture into e-fuel production represents a significant step towards sustainability in the automotive industry. By harnessing renewable energy and advanced technology, the automaker is paving the way for a future where vehicles can operate in a nearly CO2-neutral manner, without sacrificing performance or convenience. The journey towards sustainable mobility is a complex one, with multiple paths leading to the same goal: reducing our carbon footprint. Whether it's through electric vehicles or synthetic fuels, the aim is to find solutions that are not only environmentally friendly, but also practical and economical. As Porsche's e-fuel venture demonstrates, sometimes the best solutions are those that combine the old with the new, merging traditional technologies with innovative ideas to create something truly revolutionary.